Namaskaram students. Physical properties of benzene. Benzene is a liquid. What type of liquid means it is a colorless liquid and it is not soluble in water because benzene is a organic compound. Then where it is soluble means it is soluble in alcohol, ether, chloroform because they are an organic solvent. Benzene is a organic compound. So organic compound, it is soluble in organic solvent. Next it is burned with a luminous sooty flame. Sooty flame means nothing but it is a black color vapor. Okay. Next alkane and alkyne. These are all, they burn with a bluish flame. Why we are comparing with alkane and alkyne means benzene already have, it is an unsaturated compound we studied. So that only it is compared. Next vapors. The vapors of benzene, it is a toxic and the vapor if you inhale means what will happen means loss of consciousness. We are affected by loss of consciousness. The next one, chemical properties of benzene. The first point, it has delocalized pi electron. What are pi electron? The bond, the double bond having electron number, that bond, that electron is called as pi electron. These are all delocalized. Delocalized means they are moving. These two electrons go here, these two electrons goes here and these two electrons goes here. So we get the benzene structure like this. So they are delocalized. Because of delocalized pi electron, they make the benzene ring as a electron rich center. So these 2 points we have to write because of this electron rich center, what type of reaction here undertake means electrophilic substitution reaction. It is asked in evaluate 21st question, 21st question page number 213. Why the benzene, what type of reaction undergo? Why? In benzene, what type of reaction we are having? Electrophilic substitution reaction we are getting because the benzene ring is a electron rich center. Which one making electron rich center? The delocalized pi electron only make the benzene ring as a electron rich center. Because of this reason, the benzene, it undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. The next one, benzene is a stable. The ring is a stable. Why it is stable means because of this delocalized pi electron only. Because of this delocalized pi electron, but it undergo addition and oxidation. Not only the electrophilic substitution reaction alone not take place. Sometimes the addition and oxidation reaction also it take place under some specific condition. So based on that condition, the reaction will be varied. The next one, nitration. Nitration is an electrophilic substitution reaction. Nitration occur with the help of nitric acid. Nitric acid formula HNO3. Benzene is added with HNO3 in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Why we add this concentrated sulfuric acid means the function of this sulfuric acid split the nitric acid as a OH minus and NO2 plus. The NO2 plus is a nitronium ion. The nitro is having positive character. So positive attract the negative character. Now which one is negative here? This benzene ring is a electron rich center. So it is a negative character. The NO2 plus attract the negative character of benzene. So it attract the electron means it is called as electropile. Now which one is electropile The NO2 plus is a electropile. That electropile it is attached with the benzene. How it is attached? Substitution means what? Instead of one, we are going to substitute. Which one instead of? In benzene ring what we are having? Along with the carbon, hydrogen having. We can't replace the carbon, but we can replace the hydrogen. So instead of one hydrogen, we are replacing this NO2. Now that replaced hydrogen, it combined with the OH minus, it gives water. Okay. So this is the nitration reaction. Next, halogenation reaction. Halogenation reaction means benzene is added with chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine like that. Now I am going to see the reaction with the chlorine. Chlorine we have to split as a Cl plus Cl minus, but it is not happen Cl minus and Cl plus because both are same atom. How can you split the Cl minus and Cl plus? So with the help of ferric chloride only. So the function of ferric chloride is to split the chlorine as one is negative and another one is a positive character. That is called as polarization. So this negative and positive we are splitting That property is called as polarization. That polarization will be happen with the help of ferric chloride, and the Cl plus is called as electrophile. Why it is called as electrophile? Because it has positive character. That positive character attract the negative character. Here which one is negative? Don't say the Cl minus is a negative. This benzene is a electron rich center. So the Cl plus attracted by this benzene, and one of the hydrogen is replaced. That hydrogen combined with the Cl minus. So we get HCl, and we get the product like chlorobenzene. Next, in halogen means we already say the chlorine, bromine, iodine. But fluorine, the fluorine is a more reactive. Fluorine is a more reactive, so it doesn't need any catalyst. So in the absence of catalyst, we can fluorinate the benzene. But iodine, it is an inactive one. It need a catalyst to add with the benzene. Okay. Next one, sulfonation. Sulfonation means we have to add the sulfuric acid. Here we are going to add the fuming sulfuric acid in benzene. That fuming sulfuric acid we are going to split as a H2O SO3. Here there is no positive and negative. In all the example we split it as positive and negative like this, but here there is no positive and negative. Then how can you say this one is a electrophile, this SO3 is a neutral electrophile? Why it is called as neutral electrophile? Means in sulfur we have one empty orbital. Okay, not one empty orbital, it possesses empty orbitals. That empty orbitals, it need electron. So because of needing electron, this is called as electrophile. So it moving towards the electron rich center. This SO3 is moving towards the electron rich center, and we get the product like this. But it attract the electron means it already in neutral character. The SO3 is a neutral character. It attract the electron means what character it possesses in benzene? SO3 minus. So minus, it is not a compound. So the eliminated hydrogen, instead of one hydrogen only we are going to add this SO3. So the eliminated hydrogen once again is added with the SO3 minus, we get SO3H. This is not happen in other reaction, not like this in chlorobenzene, not in the nitrobenzene. Okay, once the hydrogen is eliminated means it is combined with the other compound and it produces the water here, and here it is produced the hydrogen chloride here, but here there is no water or hydrogen chloride like this. Why? Because it is a neutral electrophile. The SO3 is a neutral electrophile, but in electrophile here Cl plus is a electrophile, is having the positive character, and here the NO2 plus is a electrophile because it is having a positive character. It is a called as ionic electrophile. Now the next reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Alkylation means we are going to add the alkyl. See that the CH3 is the methyl, it is one of the alkyl. That alkyl is added with the benzene. Okay, now benzene is added. Now methyl chloride, name of the compound is methyl chloride, and chloromethane. Chlorine is the substitution. One carbon means meth and single bond is A, so methane, and chloro is the substitution. So in front of the root word, which one is root word? Meth is a root word. In front of the root word, the chloro is added. So chloromethane is the IUPAC name of this methyl chloride. That methyl chloride we are going to separate it as CH3 plus and Cl minus with the help of anhydrous aluminum trichloride. Without this catalyst we can't split this one more. And here this methyl CH3 plus is a electrophile. That electrophile is added here. Instead of one hydrogen, that hydrogen is combined with the Cl minus, we get HCl. And name of this compound we already studied, this one here, toluene or methylbenzene. Next one, Friedel-Crafts acylation. This one is alkylation, this one is acylation. Benzene with the CH3COCl. Now only you are seeing this compound ma. Name of the compound is acetyl chloride, and 2 carbon is there, so eth, and then ethanoyl chloride. Please remember these things. This is the new compound you must study. Okay, ma? Now split the compound CH3CO plus, CH3CO plus and Cl minus. This one positive character, no ma? So it is a electrophile. That electrophile is attracted by benzene. One of the hydrogen is replaced, that hydrogen is combined with the Cl minus, we get HCl, and this compound name is acetophenone. The CH3CO is called as aceto. this benzene is called as phenyl, and CO is a ketone. So ketone means in IUPAC name we put 1. So acetophenone. Next we are going to see the mechanism. Now, so far we studied the electrophilic substitution reaction. So the electrophilic substitution reaction, it takes place in 3 steps. The first step is formation of electrophile. First example nitration we have seen, that nitration once again we are going to see with the step by step. The first step, the electrophile. How the electrophile is formed means, nitric acid, it is split as OH minus NO2 plus. Sulfuric acid, it is split as H plus HSO4 minus. The OH minus is attracted with H plus. We get water as a one of the product, and NO2 plus is a nitronium ion, that is the electrophile, and HSO4 minus is a one of the product. Okay, so now we formed the electrophile, it is the step 1. And step 2, in step 2 only the benzene. The benzene is, it is a electron rich center, it is attracted by the nitronium plus, because it is a positive character. Positive is attracted by negative character. Here the electron, the pi electron, one of the pi electron, that is attracted by NO2 plus. So the bond is formed between the benzene ring and NO2. So we form the bond like this. Okay, now that electron, it occupies the electron, so it form a neutral. Here there is no positive, because it get the electrons. So it is now attain the neutral state. But in the carbon, this corner carbon, that electron is lost. These 2 electrons is shared between this carbon and this carbon, but that carbon, they lost their electron. So that they lost the electron means, how can you indicate? The positive. So this electron, this carbon having positive, because the electrons are lost here. Next, this name of the compound is arenium ion. Next, step 3. This step 3 is formation of product. So how the product is formed means, the arenium ion. Once again I write this arenium ion here. Okay, the each corner, what we are having each corner, each corner carbon along with the hydrogen. So I projected the hydrogen here in this corner. Not only we are having carbon, along with the carbon, hydrogen also we are having. So that I projected that hydrogen. That hydrogen gives its bonds to these 2 carbon, and it is eliminated as H plus. So H plus is the name proton. So by eliminating proton, we are giving the product. Once again, this carbon, here one carbon is having that carbon also getting their electron. So the electron is getting means, what will happen here? It will attain the neutral. So there is no need to put here plus symbol. Okay, so when you get nitrobenzene as a product. So electrophilic substitution reaction, it take place in 3 steps. In the first step, formation of electrophile. Second step, formation of arenium ion. Third step, formation of product. Next reaction is hydrogenation of benzene. What is hydrogenation? Addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is called as hydrogenation. So we are going to add the hydrogen with the help of catalyst, platinum or palladium. The platinum and palladium, they absorb the hydrogen from atmosphere, and they split the hydrogen. It is a molecule, hydrogen means H2, but we need the hydrogen in atomic, so that they split the hydrogen molecule as a hydrogen atom with the help of this catalyst. So hydrogen atom we are going to add here and here. So we add hydrogen, 2 hydrogen here means, what about this double bond? This double bond changed as a single bond. The same way we are going to add 2 hydrogen here. This double bond also changed as a single bond. So we get the single bond here. Then one more double bond is there, no more. That double bond also we are going to add hydrogen, this carbon and this carbon means, this double bond also get into vanish. So we get single bond. Now see that how many hydrogen we already have the corner. Along with the carbon, 1 hydrogen. Now we add one more hydrogen. So this one CH2, 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 CH2. So how many CH2 means? We get 6 carbon along with the hydrogen. 6 into 2 we get H12. So this is called as cyclohexane because it has single bond. So that ane, and hexa means 6 carbon. So hex and it is a cyclic. And benzene formula is C6H6. Each corner it has carbon along with one hydrogen CH, and it possesses double bond. Okay. The next reaction is chlorination of benzene. We are going to add the chlorine to benzene with the help of UV light or sunlight. And here also the benzene has C6H6 and double bond, 3 double bond. We are going to add the 6 chlorine, 3 into 6, 6 chlorine. I am going to add here 1 chlorine, here 1 chlorine. So the double bond get into vanished, CH along with the Cl we get. The same way this double bond and this double bond also vanished while you add the chlorine. Okay, ma? Now we get benzene hexachloride because we added 6 chlorine here. And then this is another name is gamma hexane, another name is lindane. These two names is very important, ma, because the question they will ask like that. What is gamma hexane, what is lindane, like that only they will ask. So that you have to study along with this name, benzene hexachloride. The short form for benzene hexachloride is BHC. BHC. What is BHC means? Benzene hexachloride, another name gamma hexane, another name lindane. And what is the use of this gamma hexane means? It is a powerful insecticide. Okay. So this is the very important question, ma. Next one, we are going to add oxygen. Oxidation means what, ma? Addition of oxygen in the presence of vanadium trioxide. The benzene is a very stable compound. Why it is stable means because it has pi electron. The delocalized pi electron make the benzene ring as a stable compound. But this compound cleaved with the help of powerful oxidizing agent. Which one is powerful oxidizing agent means? The vanadium trioxide is a powerful oxidizing agent. With the help of vanadium trioxide, we are going to add the oxygen. The benzene ring cleaved like this. Here this bond, these two carbon, they cleaved and they get away. And how many carbon is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 carbon. We are going to write here. This carbon get into oxidized. Oxidized means addition of oxygen. So here in this the corner having CH noma, that CH we are going to add 2 oxygen. And also this corner also we have CH, along with the CH we are going to add 2 oxygen. And these 2 carbon they get out. Okay, they cleaved the bond. We are going to cleave the bond, and then they leave out the benzene ring, and we get the rest of the how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4 along with this bond. We put the double bond, and this corner we have CH noma, that CH. And why we are adding these 2 oxygen means because it is a oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction means the addition of oxygen will be take place here. So that we added. What is the name of this compound means? Malic acid. Okay. And once again we are going to remove the water. How can you remove the water? What is the water formula? H2O. What is the formula? H2O. So we need 1 hydrogen. We are going to remove this hydrogen and this OH. Okay. So what is the remaining? Okay, what is the remaining? I am going to remove this HOH means CO. Okay. So CO, 1 O is common for this CO. So we get right like this. We are going to remove the hydrogen and OH here marks. We already have COO, CO. Now 1 common O we will write like this. It is a cyclic compound. We get malic anhydride. What is the meaning of anhydride means? It is the loss of water. There is no water. That is called as anhydride. Okay, absence of water is called as anhydride. Malic anhydride. This name is malic acid. In malic acid we are going to remove the water so that we get the malic anhydride. The next reaction is Birch reduction. What is the meaning of reduction? Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Okay, oxidation means what? Addition of oxygen. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. We are going to add the hydrogen. But what is the difference between the hydrogenation? In this hydrogenation reaction, we add 6 hydrogen here. 6 hydrogen with the help of platinum and palladium, so that we get cyclohexane. But here in Birch reduction, particularly we add lithium and lithium and nickel in the presence of liquid ammonia and alcohol. Particularly we are using this catalyst. All the catalysts never gives the same product. So different types of catalyst means we get the different types of product. So we get here how many triple bond is there? 3 triple bond is there. Now you see that we get only 2 double bond here. How many double bond is there? I talked in different way. How many double bond here? 3 double bond, but here we are having 2 double bond. So one double bond, what will happen means we'll add the hydrogen, so that one double bond is getting to vanish. Okay. Now the compound name is, you put the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first carbon it has double bond, and fourth carbon also it has double bond. Yes, it is fifth carbon and second carbon also having double bond. But in IUPAC name we have to prefer the least number, so that only we put 1, 4. In first carbon it started double bond, and fourth carbon also it started double bond. So 1, 4, and how many carbon? 6 carbon, so hex, and then double bond means ene. So 1, 4 cyclohexene, hexadiene, not hexene, hexadiene, 1, 4 hexadiene. Next we are going to see the activating groups. What is activating groups means? They already added in benzene ring, we already added one group. That group I mentioned as capital A. That capital A indicates that it is activating groups. It increases the reactivity of the benzene ring. The added groups, it increases the reactivity of the benzene ring, means it is called as activating groups. Okay. Now the activating groups, they are called as ortho-para directing groups. The activating groups, they are called as ortho-para directing groups. Why they are called as ortho-para directing groups means the incoming group is a positive character. Why it has positive character means benzene ring, it fully has more electron. So more electron means it is a electron center. The electron means what is the charge? Negative charge. So it has more negative charge. The incoming group should has positive charge. So that I put Y plus. The Y plus, it goes to which position means it may goes to second position or sixth position. These two positions are called as ortho group. Why they are going to ortho group means because of this activating groups. Or the Y plus, they may go to fourth group, fourth position. That fourth position is called as para. So the incoming groups goes to ortho and para means the already substituted that group is called as activating groups or ortho-para directing groups. In this ortho-para directing groups, in ortho position and para position, the electron density is increases. Where the electron density is increases means in ortho and para, so that they are called as ortho-para directing groups. Usually the activating groups are called as ortho-para directing groups. For example, alcohol. OH means alcohol, or NH2 means it is not given like that simply they given bond OH. Don't say minus OH. It is called as bond OH. In front of the bond we will put the benzene as a aride, so that I indicated as OR. Okay, and NH2 means amine. Bond NHR means secondary amine, because 2 aryl group is added there, so secondary amine. Next one, this is acetamide. This one is called as amide, and this is called as acetamide. The acetamide is one hydrogen is replaced with benzene. So this is phenylacetamide. Next one, this is methoxy. Suppose the benzene ring possesses methoxy means it is a activating groups. Suppose the benzene ring possesses methyl, that is called as activating groups. Suppose the benzene ring, one of the hydrogen replaced with the ethyl means it is also activating groups. Next one, deactivating groups. Deactivating groups means a benzene ring already it has one substitution group. That substitution group it had decrease the reactivity of benzene ring. So deactivating group means they decrease the reactivity of benzene ring, and these deactivity groups are called as meta-directing groups. Why they are called as meta-directing means the incoming groups they goes to third position. Third position is called as meta, and meta-directing groups, where the groups they increase the electron density at meta position. don't confuse with these two words goes. What is deactivating means? They decrease the reactivity of benzene ring. But deactivating groups mostly is a meta-directing groups. The meta-directing group mean in meta position they increase the electron density. Increase, don't write it as decrease here. Please try to understand the words. Ortho para directing means ortho and para position the electron density is increases. Meta directing group means the electron density is increased at meta position. Which are all ortho para directing group means activating groups are called as ortho para directing groups. Which are called as meta directing groups means deactivating groups are called as meta directing groups. For example, for this one, or NO2, nitro, and cyanide, aldehyde, ketone, acid, ester, and sulfonic acid. These are all called as deactivating groups. Okay. Now we are going to see the explanation for ortho-para directing groups. Why some groups are ortho-para directing? Why some groups are meta-directing groups? For the example for ortho-para directing groups, the benzene is added with the alcohol. The benzene ring is added with the OH means it is alcohol noma. What is the name of this compound is phenol. In this phenol, the oxygen. Please keep it in mind, in oxygen we have 2 lone pair electron. So 2 lone pair electron I put 4 dots here. The 1 lone pair electron it is go here means the benzene ring we have triple bond noma. Triple bond means 3 double bond. So in that bond that electron goes in this carbon, in this corner carbon, that is ortho position. So that ortho position now have electron. Electron means minus character. And what about this oxygen means it lost the electron. So the oxygen now become as a positive character. Please keep it in mind, all the structure the oxygen possesses now positive character ma. Okay. Now see that, now this electron now not keep in this position. Suppose that electron goes to this here. In this position means this electron, the double bond having that electron number, that electron goes to this position, that is para position. Okay. Now the para position having negative character because that electrons move to this para position and that electron, that ortho position electron is moved to here in this carbon and in this carbon. So we generated one double bond here. Okay. Now you see here this electron not remain in this place. Suppose it is goes to this place means we develop one double bond here and this double bond electron suppose it goes to this position, that is 6th carbon. 6th carbon means it has negative character in 6th carbon, that is called as ortho position. Okay, this position is now called as ortho position. Now see that in ortho, para, again ortho, in this position we have negative character. Negative charges means it is the electron density is more in these places. So which one is more in ortho para position? The electron density is more in ortho para position. So that the incoming groups, they are incoming group is usually it is a positive character because the positive character only it is directed towards the electron density. Electron density is more in benzene. We already know Noma that electron density where is increases means in ortho and para position is increases with the help of this alcohol. Okay. Now again that ortho position the negative is goes to this position. That double bond electron is goes to that oxygen means once again we are getting the phenol structure like this. So we have resonance structure. How many resonance structure we are having? 1, 2, 3. Okay, once again it goes to phenol structure only. In this resonance structure, in ortho position, para position, in again ortho position, we have negative electron density. Okay, electron density is increases. So incoming group that is positive character, that positive character usually attached with where the electron density is increases. Where the electron density increases, ortho para position only it increased electron density. So that in incoming groups they are ordered in the ortho and para position. Now halogen. Halogen means chlorine, bromine, iodine. They are called as ortho para director. Usually ortho para directing groups are called as activating groups because ortho para directing groups they increase the electron density so that they are called as activating groups. But here halogen groups are ortho para director means They will called as activating groups, no ma, but here they are deactivator. Why they are deactivator means because of they have the minus effect. The minus, strong minus effect means they are electron withdrawing. Withdrawing means they taken away the electron from the benzene ring. So the electron density of the benzene ring is decreases. So electron density is decreases means they are usually called as deactivator. But there one more reason that halogens, they have the presence of lone pair electron. They have the lone pair electron. Because of that lone pair electron, in resonance structure we already written for the alcohol, mama. Suppose you written for the chlorine means we get the ortho para position negative character. So that we said that the presence of lone pair electron in halogen groups, they increase the electron density at ortho and para position. So that the incoming group, they attach in the ortho and para position. Even though the halogen is a deactivator, but they increase the electron density at ortho and para position. Why they increase the electron density means because of presence of lone pair of electron. Okay, then why they are decrease the electron density of benzene ring means because they have the strong minus I effect of minus I effect means electron withdrawing nature. Electron withdrawing nature means they take away the electron from the benzene ring. So the electron density is decreases. So the halogens groups are called as deactivator. Okay, this is the important question. Please have a note with you. Okay, the next one, meta-directing groups. Why some groups are called as meta-directing groups means, for example, the benzene is added with the aldehyde, that is called as benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde means CHO. The CHO is written as a structure like C double bond O and single bond H. In double bond 2 electron is present, no ma, that electron is attracted by this oxygen means that oxygen develop a negative character. And here 2 electron is there present here. In this bond we have 2 electron. That electron moves to here. So this electron is moves to here means we create a double bond here between this corner carbon and then that carbon. We put one double bond. Okay, what about this corner carbon, this ortho position carbon? It lost the electron because this 2 electron moves there means in this corner carbon it lost the electron. So loss of electron is to develop the positive character. Again, once again these electron now move towards like this. Okay, what happened means we will develop here one double bond here. Now see that we develop one double bond here. And what about this carbon? The para position carbon, it lost the electron. So that one positive is created here. Once again in this structure, these 2 electrons now move towards this carbon. Okay. Now see that this is 6th carbon, this is 5th and 4th carbon. Between the 5th and 4th carbon, these 2 electrons move towards here means the positive vanish, and in this carbon the electron is lost. So that in 6th carbon we created one positive character. Once again, in double bond is having no ma, the first carbon and then aldehyde carbon we have double bond, no ma. In that double bond that electron is moves towards means the positive will vanish, and then once again the minus is present, no ma. That minus is gives the electron to here means we create a double bond. So we get the once again benzaldehyde structure. At last we are getting benzaldehyde structure, but the double bond is now displays the position. Okay. Now here you see that how many resonance structure we are having? 3 resonance structure. What is the difference between the phenol resonance structure means? Phenol resonance structure we have 3 phenol resonance structure. You see that in ortho, para, ortho. What we will having ma? Negative character we are having. But in benzaldehyde, here also we are having 3 resonance structure. In ortho, para and again ortho. What charges we are having? We are having positive charges. So positive charges means the meta position we are having, no ma. Here positive means this here we are having more negative charges. So meta position having more negative charges. So incoming groups they select the meta position only. So electron density is increases in meta position. So they are called as meta directing groups. So far we studied the benzene and their chemical properties, structure. Now we are going to study what are the harmful things in that benzene and then their derivatives. Benzene and then polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, simply they called as PAH. They are ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means everywhere they are present in our environment, and they are pollutant. These pollutant are they are generated by incomplete combustion of coal oil, petrol and wood. Then some PAH they generated by volcanic activities and also open burning, and naturally we are getting from petroleum and coal deposit. These benzene and their derivatives, they are toxic. Toxic means it is dangerous to us, our health, it is not good to our health. And mutagenic means they change in our basic structure of things, and carcinogenic means they cause the cancer. And it has hematological means related to blood, immunological means it is related to our immune system, and neurological means it is related to nerves. So they affect our blood, immunity system, nerves, and then they are radio mimetic that means it is when we expose to benzene, for exposures to radiation of the benzene and their derivatives means it leads to genetic damages. And particularly the L-shaped polynuclear hydrocarbons are more toxic and carcinogenic. Let's see the example for that. The first structure, the 3,4 carbon, the benzene rings are attached, so that it is called as 3,4 benzpyrene. The next one, the first carbon and then second carbon attached by benzene, so that name is 1,2 benzanthracene. The next one, if we put the number 1 2 in that one, the benzene is attached, and also 5 6 also another benzene is attached with the anthracene. So we put the number 1 2 5 6 dibenzanthracene. In 1 2 benzanthracene means anthracene is attached with only one benz. Then dibenzene is added with anthracene means it is called as dibenzanthracene. The 3,4 benzpyrene and 1,2 benzanthracene, they are found in cigarette smoke and tobacco and cigarette and charcoal boiled food. Then the dibenzene anthracene, it is found in gasoline extract and also barbecued. Barbecue means grilled food. It is evaluation question, page number 217. Question number 25. Toluene undergo nitration easily than benzene. Because of the benzene, it has low electron density when compared to the toluene. Then toluene, why it is having more electron density means it the toluene structure, the methyl group is attached with the toluene. The methyl is the electron releasing power. Because of it electron releasing power, it activate. What is the meaning of activate means it increase the electron density of the benzene by passing the electron on the benzene ring. So during the nitration, nitric acid produce the NO2 plus. It is a plus character, so attract the electron. Which one having more electron means toluene has more electron density when compared to the benzene, so that the NO2 plus is more easily attached to the toluene than the benzene. The next one, evaluate question 4, page number 185. Water destroy Grignard reagent. Why? Because the water formula H2O. For Grignard reagent, we are here taking CH3CH2 MgR. That MgBr, it is attracted by OH, and then it is destroy the, and then the H means that is called as proton. That proton is attached with the CH3CH2, we get ethane, that is hydrocarbon. So the water, from the water we are gives the H means proton, that is called as water would protonate and destroy the Grignard reagent. The Grignard reagent is destroyed by the MgBr is leave out the structure. Because of Grignard reagent, the carbon is highly nucleophilic, then it would form the hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means the, for example here given as ethane. It is evaluate 5, page number 185. Is it possible to prepare methane by Gulf electrolytic method? No, it is not possible because in sodium acetate you see the reaction. 2 moles of sodium acetate we are taking in presence of 2 moles of water. From the 2 moles of water I split the water as HOH, HOH, and the carbon dioxide is removed from the carboxylic part. We removed 2 carbon dioxide, and then the sodium, it attract the OH from water. 2 sodium is present there, so we get 2 NaOH, and what we are remaining having means the CH3. So both the one attached together we produce ethane, and the remaining in water we have 2 hydrogen. The 2 hydrogen combined together it form hydrogen molecule. In sodium formate, formula is HCOONA. We are going to take 2 sodium formate in presence of 2 moles of water. The same way you have to split the water HOH, HOH. The OH is attracted by 2 sodium, so it produce 2 sodium hydroxide, and in water we have 2 hydrogen NOMA. That 2 hydrogen combined together it produce H2, and the carboxylic part it removes 2 carbon dioxide, and then what we are having remaining in sodium formate means just H, that 2 hydrogen combined together it produce hydrogen. So we here in this reaction we are getting 2 moles of hydrogen. One is from sodium formate and another one is from 2 moles of water molecule. From this we concluded that from the Gulf electrolytic method means we have to start from the sodium acetate. It produce hydrocarbon, but sodium formate it never produce the hydrocarbon. It just produce the hydrogen in the Gulf electrolytic method.